Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Chair of Examinations Committee, respected examiner and my beloved supervisors. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing and guidance, which have enabled me to complete my master's thesis and be present here today. My name is Tri Islamiati, a student of the Master of Management programs. It is a great honor for me to present the results of my thesis, entitled is The Effect of Mental Health and Work-Life Balance on Job Satisfaction with Psychological Capital has a mediation variable at BPJS Kesehatan Branch Office in Jakarta. For the research background, the background of this study is based on the growing importance of employees' well-being in achieving organizational effectiveness. As a public service organizations, BPJS Kesehatan face increasing demand to provide high-quality service while maintaining employee performance. In this context, employees' mental health, work-life balance, and psychological capital play a crucial role in enhancing job satisfaction and supporting sustainable organizations' performance. And the next about the research problem, this research aims to examine the direct effect of mental health and work-life balance on job satisfactions, as well as the mediating role of psychological capital in this relationship. It is expected that the finding of this study will contribute both theoretical to the field of human resource management and practically by providing recommendations for BPJS Kesehatan to improve employee well-being and job satisfaction. And for the research gap, previous study reported inconsistent findings regarding mental health and job satisfactions. The mediating role of psychological capital had received limited attentions. Research in public service organizations remains scarce, and few studies have investigated BPJS Kesehatan employees. For the research objective, this study aims to examine number one, the effect of mental health on job satisfactions. Number two, the effect of work-life balance on job satisfactions. Number three, the effect of mental health on psychological capital. Number four, the effect of work-life balance on psychological capital. Number five, the effect of psychological capital on job satisfactions, and the last, the mediating role of psychological capital. For the research problem, based on this background and the research gap, the research problem formulations of this study is whether mental health and work-life balance influence employee job satisfactions, and whether psychological capital can strengthen the relationship between the two variables and job satisfactions. For the literature review and theoretical foundations, main theory is positive organizational behavior, and supporting theories. Number one, conservation of resource theory, or COR, and job demand resource theory and social exchange theory. For the research problem, variable mental health is dimensions emotional well-being, psychological well-being, and social well-being. For work-life balance, dimension is time balance, involvement balance, and satisfactions balance. For the psychological capital, dimension is hope, optimism, resilience, and self-efficiency. And the last, for the variable, is job satisfactions. Dimensions is salary, promotion, supervisions, co-workers, and work itself. For the hypothesis, H1 is mental health has a positive and significant effect on job satisfactions. H2, work-life balance has a positive and significant effect on job satisfactions. H3, mental health has a positive and significant effect on psychological capital. H4, work-life balance has a positive and significant effect on psychological capital. H5, psychological capital has a positive and significant effect on job satisfactions. H6, psychological capital positively and significantly mediates the relationship between mental health and job satisfactions. And the last, H7, psychological capital positively and significantly mediates the relationship between work-life balance and job satisfactions. Okay, the next for the research methodology. Number one, this study used a quantitative approach with a cross-sectional research design. Number two, this research was conducted at the BPJS Kesehatan in Jakarta branch office located in the Jakarta Special Capital Regions or DKI Jakarta. And number three, the research data was generated from primary and secondary data. Data analysis in this study was conducted using the partial least square structural equations modeling or PLSM approach with the assistance of the latest versions of Smart PLS software 4.0. And the next about the response profile. Present charts of gender and age and education and lack of employment. For the measurement model results, all indicators fulfill validity requirement. For the loading factor, more than 0.17, AV more than 0.15, composite reliability more than 0.17, Cronbach alpha more than 0.17, and for the conclusions, the measurement model is valid and reliable. And the next about the structural model research for the psychological capital or R quadrat equal 0.519 adjusted R quadrat equal 0.515 moderate explanatory power job satisfactions R quadrat equal 0.603 adjusted R quadrat equal 0.597 moderate explanatory power. For the interpretations, mental health and work-life balance explain 51.5% of the variance in psychological capital, and the mental health, work-life balance, and psychological capital explain 59.7% of the variance in job satisfactions. The remaining variance is influenced by other factors that were not included in this resource. Overall, the sectoral model demonstrates satisfactory predictive capability and is appropriate to hypothesis testing. For the hypothesis testing, hypothesis H1 for the relationship mental health and job satisfactions for the results supported or accepted. And then H2 work-life balance and job satisfactions supported or accepted. H3 mental health and psychological capital for the result supported or accepted. H4, work-life balance and psychological capital, the result of supported and accepted. H5, psychological capital and job satisfaction, supported and accepted. H6, psychological capital mediates the relationship between mental health and job satisfactions. The result is supported or accepted. And H7, psychological capital mediates the relationship between work-life balance and job satisfactions. Results is supported and accepted. Okay, and the next for the discussions, okay, findings. Mental health is significantly improve job satisfactions, and work-life balance positively influence job satisfactions, and psychological capital significantly enhance job satisfactions. Psychological capital partially mediates the relationship, and thus finding support conservation of resource theory. And the next, by the conclusions, mental health has a positive and significant effect on job satisfactions. Work-life balance positively influences job satisfactions. Mental health enhances psychological capital, and work-life balance enhances psychological capital, and psychological capital positively affect in job satisfactions, and psychological capital successfully mediates both relationships. And the last for the recommendations for BPJS Kesehatan, expand mental health initiative, and enhance flexible working arrangement, and increase employees development programs. For future resources, include additional variables such as organizational commitment or employee engagement, and expand the research to the other BPJS branch or public organizations. And the last, use longitudinal research design. Okay, I think my presentation is enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.